Vlogging is the name of the game, and if you subscribe below, I'll do my best to keep you informed, entertained, inspired, and intrigued. So, Paano Kumita sa Facebook, that's the title of the video. This will be a tutorial video. I'll show you some ways, step by step, on how to monetize, earn money through Facebook. So, stick around, guys, and let's get it on. Now, first, guys, go to this website called Teespringcom. So just follow my pointer, just follow my mouse. This is it, teespring.com. You create an account here. So this is the home page of their website. Now, I already have an account, see? And you click on Start Designing. So after you will click on Start Designing, you will then be routed to this product page. What sort of product or apparel you want to design. So let's say I want to create a t-shirt design. So I'll click on Start with this. So after I click on that, let's put this one, Start Designing. Click on the Start Designing. And it will ask you, what would you like to do with your design? Would you like to buy or would you like to sell? So of course, that because we are trying to make some money here, then you click on Sell. So this is the page where you will design your shirt. Okay, so this is the front. Let's add some text. I'm going to add some text here. Let's say Kilay is life. So if you don't know what Kilay is, for my non-Filipino viewers here, Kilay is eyebrows. So I'll put there, Kilay is life. Alright, there you go. And now I can choose, that is the front. I can also put something on the back of the shirt. I can maybe add a text. But coffee is lifer. So we're just trying to set you up with some maybe jokes here and there. And that is it. So from the front, you will see Kilay is life. And then when someone will look at the back of your shirt, it will say, but coffee is lifer. Okay, so here on this side here, just follow my mouse. You can set a price. So let's say from US, we can set it for $10. Now, as you can see, there is no profit. So you can maybe increase the price of the shirt. Let's say $12. Still nothing. How about $15? There you go. So for every profit, there is a $2.23 sale. US dollars. Okay. Now we can start with Europe. European, euro. Let's try. Let's say 15 euro. A bit expensive now? What do you think? A bit expensive, but yeah, this is just an example, okay? So it says here that we have a profit. All right, now we can click on continue. All right, so this is what your apparel will look like. Kilay is life. You even have, but coffee is lifer. See? So this is your online link for this design, the Kilay is life design. I even have socks and mugs. Okay. Now let's just hit on continue. Okay. And then at this point, we can create the listing. So the listing basically, guys, is what the file name of this design is. So it will be saved here to your teespring.com account, and you can share it afterwards. Okay. So let's just say this is coffee lovers sample. Of course, you on the professional side, you need to put briefly an explanation on what your design is all about. So I just put here sample just for the example of this tutorial, okay? Now I can hit on publish listing. So right now teespring.com, their system is now preparing. All right, so here we go. So here is our listing. We can even add to cart, and then as you see right here, there is a sharing to social media, Facebook or Twitter. So we will use Facebook because we're trying to make some money at Facebook here, right? So we'll click on Facebook. Now, of course, it will open a new tab. Okay, this is the link. So pretty much you can put here, what do you think, guys? Something like that. Or you can actually share in a group. Just follow my mouse, okay? When you share in a group, all right. Since we are trying to promote coffee, let's try to check if I am a member of any coffee-related groups. Let's check. You know what? I'm not. So what you can do, guys, is maybe just go to Facebook, okay? My computer is now thinking. Now go to Facebook and then try to search for a coffee lovers group or something to that point. So let's say coffee lovers. Oh, there you go. Now you go to coffee lovers. Now see, there is a group, guys, with 14,000 members. What you can do now is join the group and always promote value first. Do not just promote yourself first, okay? Provide value first. So of course, you have to read what are the rules and regulations, stuff like that. All right? So then you will pretty much just sell there, promote your designs from teespring.com. So that is how simple it is. It's free. You will make money out of it. All right. Now, for our second part on earning money at Facebook, paano kumita sa Facebook. This is, of course, through Facebook page. So guys, this is my Facebook page. Christian Adam Barwell, please, this is the username at Adam Barwell. Please, if you want, you can follow it. Currently, I have, let's check. Okay, currently, guys, I have 2,427 followers. So pretty much you really need to create your Facebook page to be very business-like and professional looking. So of course, on the about section, you will put some stuff there. Just like in your YouTube channel, you need to create the Facebook page with all the details because you are trying to promote yourself, you're trying to promote a business, and of course, we are trying to monetize the Facebook page itself, okay? So this is the, of course, arts and entertainment, always open. You can put your story here, stuff like that. You can put the about section here. See, I put an about section so that the people visiting my Facebook page will have an idea. All right. Now at this point, I want you to go to publishing tools. So look at my mouse, guys. Go to publishing tools. Click on that. And I do have some inbox here and some notifications, but we'll check that later. All right. So at this point, guys, I want you to go to Creator Studio. Look at the left, follow my mouse or my pointer. Creator Studio. Click on that. It's awesome to know that Facebook page also has a Creator Studio, just like YouTube, right? Awesome. Okay, so at this point, my laptop is thinking. So there we go. We are now on the home page of my Creator Studio. Now, guys, it is important to note that you need to upload videos directly on your Facebook page. Do not share links there. If your intention is to monetize the Facebook page, do not share links from your YouTube videos. Upload the videos directly. All right? Okay, here, you can upload it here. So these are the insights. Let's see. Now go to monetization on the left side. You can see monetization. Click on that. Alright, so these are the requirements, guys. So before, it was actually 10,000 followers, but right now, they have changed it to just 1,000 followers. So just like YouTube, 1,000 subscribers. For the monetization of a Facebook page, you need 1,000 followers only. So as you can see it on my page, Christian Adam Burwell, it is already green because I have reached over 1,000 followers. I have over 2,000 in fact. Now the second requirement is this one. Now note, guys, that these are or. So it could be either of the three: engagement, minutes viewed, and 1 minute views for 3 minute videos. So basically, in the last 60 days, if you reach 15,000 post engagements or 180,000 minutes on all your videos or 30,000 1 minute views on all your videos that at least 3 minutes long, then you will be eligible for monetization. So you need to just click on learn more, perhaps, so that you'll get to really understand. But basically, you just need to accomplish either of these three because it says here or, right? And of course, the policy guidelines. So just like YouTube, Facebook also has partner monetization policies. So yeah, these are basically the three: 1,000 followers, and then either of the three engaging contents requirements, and then policy guidelines, and then after that, you click on set up monetization. So that is it. Don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Christian Adam Burwell, or just type at Adam Burwell. So as you can see here, guys, actually, I have already uploaded videos directly. This Dusitani vlog that I've uploaded at YouTube, I uploaded it directly here at my Facebook page, and also this one where I dance the Sarah Geronimo. So as you can see the engagement here, the how many people you have reached, stuff like that, analytics. So if you have any questions, guys, just shoot me down on the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I hope you learned something from it. All right, stay awesome, everyone. And again, don't forget to follow my Facebook page at Adam Burwell. Thank you. Bye-bye.